وتصفو الحياة بنور هدى جمال الوجود بذكر الإله وتصفو الحياة بنور هدى وتطلب نفس له طاعة ويبلغ سعد إلى منتهى فؤاد شغوف إلى ربه.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to the talent show of Uda Stars. My name is Muhammad Basim. I am studying 6th standard A section. I am exploring earth layer. The earth is made up of 3 different layers: the crust, the mantle and the core. This is outside layer of the earth is made up of solid, rocky, mostly and basalt. There are 2 types of crust: oceanic and continental. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to the talent show of the stars. My name is Emmaim. I am studying 6th standard A section. I am exploring solar eclipse, lunar eclipse. Solar eclipse occurs when the moon passes between the sun and the earth, leaving a moving region of shadow on the earth's surface. Lunar eclipse occurs when the moon passes between the sun and the moon, of casting of shadow on the moon. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to the talent show of the stars. I am Sheikh Muhammad from 8th standard A section. I would like to explain about a social project on seismograph. A seismograph is scientists design consists of a earthquake, measuring similar aspiration of the event. The seismograph was simple design consists of a horizontal pendulum. This consists of a large roll of paper along with vertical and horizontal pendulum. When start vibrating, the terminal over. A pen is attracted to the vibrating system. When start vibrating, a pen recorder moves under it. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to our talent show of Uda Stars. I would like to explain about social project natural disaster. Disasters are hazards that causes destruction or environment change. Some of the top natural disasters are earthquake, landslide, wildfire, flood, tsunami, tornado. Earthquake it is separate of a sudden increase the energy from the ethnic crust. They are measured using seismograph. Flood is a causes water overflow from water bodies. Jazakallah khairan. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to talent show of Uda Stars. My name is Muhammad Ashif. I am studying 7th standard C section. I like explain the social project in a component of the map. A map is a visual representation of entire a part of area, typically represented a flat surface. Map reading is an act of interpreting or understanding a geographic information part in a map. The basic components of a map are the title, scale, legend, hierarchy, direction, source, map production and location information, sign and symbol. The title of the map or the title of the component of the map or the it is mostly at the top corner or the bottom corner. Scale is distance on the ground and the distance shown on the map. Direction which Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to the talent show of Uda Stars. My topic is natural disaster earthquake. I am studying 7th standard. I know about explain the earthquake. Loss of life, property, damage of transport system, roads, railways, airports, marine light, changes of flood in develop the crack of dams, changes of damage Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I am going to explain my project is types of land. Land is natural resources of each and everything. Land support at most and almost everything. For example, wildlife, human activity, animal life, economic, transport. These all are mountain, plateau, river, forest, plain, island, ocean, river. There are 6 types of land, plateau and island are very support for the each and everything. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to the talent show of the stars. I am explaining about the red forts. There are building militaries or red forts. Red Fort Delhi, Agra Fort Agra. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to talent show of the star. I am Asik from 7th standard. I would like to explain my social model on human man-made disaster. Disaster are hazard that cause destruction or environment change. The type are natural and human man-made disaster. Man-made disaster is a thing having an element of human intent, negligence or error or involving a failure. Man-made disaster caused by human action or inaction. They are contrasted with natural hazard. Man-made disaster affect the human. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
وجودي بذكر الإله وتصفو الحياة بنور هدى جمال الوجود بذكر الإله وتصفو الحياة بنور هدى وتطرب نفس